What's up, YouTube? First of all, it is 100 degrees outside. It's hot, but I'm bored right now and I want to take the coupe out a little bit. And I figured I'd stop by my boy Busy's house to see what he got going on over there. And maybe I can catch up with my boy Justin too, who has a ITB EG hatch. I had him in one of my other videos a while back. I want to see what's going on with him. I heard he just put a new motor in that thing. With the K2s on full soft. I mean, it's not like I'm going out racing, so no reason to have them all stiff. I don't even know if you guys can hear me or not with the open header. It's loud to me though. I don't know how good this GoPro can record this. So you're chilling at 300 horsepower. I mean, really, it's not like it's difficult to drive around daily. I mean, the pedal is smooth and everything like that. With the 90mm throttle body, big intake manifold, big cams. It's really not as bad as people make it seem. I got a really lightweight flywheel. It's 8.4 pounds. But as you can see, it's not like I'm struggling to get around or anything. It's weird, I never did one of these little drive and talk things. It's kind of weird talking to yourself, and I really don't know what to say. But the coupe drove down here problem-free. Checked out Busy CRX and the other coupe and stuff like that. My car is running fine, so that's good news. Or it's good to go. Still got a few more things I want to work out, things I want to touch up. I got to get that catch can and run those lines for my oil catch can. But other than that, I'm ready to roll, man. I need to get my intake done and my exhaust piping done, and then I can try to get my thing tuned so I can try and go run with this guy. For the people who ask, this is why his manifold fits JDM hood and JDM cut. Still never buy a CRX though. It's shaped like Minecraft. Volks, Volks. 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 I think I'm gonna head back to my side of town. Happy that the car's running right. Call it a night. Houston stock. Just kidding. I can't hang around turbo cars. Shit makes me think about it too much. I don't have no money for that ish. It's kind of weird though, because it's not sitting on Volks. I don't understand that. Simple and clean. Before I head to the house, I'll take a quick ride in the boosted FA5. I think last time I heard it was making like 400 horsepower. Let's see what it does tonight. For a daily, I'd be happy driving this. That's what's up. Feels nice.